Hello everyone, my name is Reverend Brandon Ouellette. I'm the interim chaplain here at Monmouth College. We want to offer you a special invite to this year's 169th Baccalaureate service. The Baccalaureate service this year will take place at 2 o'clock on May 14th here at Dahl Chapel and Auditorium. This year we are incredibly excited to welcome back the Reverend Dr. Terry McDowell-Ott, who was most recently the Dean of the Chapel here at the college. She's gone on to be the editor and publisher of the Presbyterian Outlook, and she's just recently published a new book which you will definitely want to pick up. We're so excited to have Terry speaking here this year. For the 169th year of our baccalaureate service, the theme is the next chapter. We are incredibly excited to be celebrating with our graduates this year as they take this next chapter of their lives. We're also excited to be having this service in person, hopefully all moving into a next chapter after going through COVID these last few years.